If you have a YouTube channel and you want to rebrand it, that is change its name, and you just aren't able to, and you're constantly getting this kind of an error that this setting cannot be changed for your account, then this video is for you, as I will show you the exact process in how to change your channel's name. Keep watching and let's just begin. Okay, a bit about myself first. I started this channel in about August 2018. This is the dashboard of my channel, guys. You can just see it. I've got just about 6,000 subscribers here. So I started in August 2018, and I literally had no idea what to post and what not. So you'll find various stuff here. You'll find all kinds of weird stuff actually. So I have compilations uploaded, I have some gameplay videos uploaded, I have some courses reviews uploaded here. I do have some copyright material also uploaded here. This will not give you any kind of money, so just to clarify that, I have that a lot in my comments. You will not make any kind of money if you're uploading copyright content here. The original maker of this video will be earning whatever AdSense revenue that you get. So yeah, I was uploading various kinds. I was just trying out YouTube for, give me a break here. So anyway, I decided, that let me grow my channel in the tech space. Concentrate on reviewing and unboxing and course reviews. This kind of thing got quite a lot of appreciation and a lot of engagement with you guys. So I was quite happy with that, and I was like, okay, let me just concentrate on that, and perhaps someday I might just become decent enough to kind of like monetize my account. Yes, monetize, because it's not my account hasn't been monetized as yet. That's actually another story for another day. So as I was saying that I just decided to concentrate on reviewing and unboxing, and perhaps start earning one particular day. My channel's previous name was Maverick, and it just does not go with the concept that I had in mind, with the tech space and with the unboxing and whatnot. So Maverick just does not go anywhere. So I decided to change it. Now that should be easy, right? Changing your name. Wrong. Call me stupid or what, but it actually took me a couple of hours to really search for, identify from where the heck can I change my channel's name. First of all, just like you guys, I kind of just typed in how to change channel name on YouTube, and this is the result that I got. The first result itself is from this YT advice that's posted 2 years ago. The method that he talks about just did not work for me. I kept getting this kind of an error message. This setting cannot be changed for your account. It just cannot be changed for your account. Okay, so I checked out the next video and the next and the next and the next. So if you'll see, I have watched all these videos for somehow, I don't know what reason, but the red bar here, it's not coming on these particular videos. But trust me, I have seen all of these videos, and yet whatever method they were talking about, it ultimately just led me to this setting cannot be changed for your account. I actually reached out to the Google YouTube community also, but the kind of response that I got, it just did not clarify anything for me. I was actually about to give up, because I had managed to change the logo right here. I changed this. I had changed the YouTube cover art. I had changed everything, but I was just not able to do so. So ultimately, it's basically by trial and error that I managed to finally change it from Maverick to the unbox review. So what I really did was this is the dashboard, guys. Just go into your channel, go into the Creator Studio beta, and this is what your dashboard opens up. I'm sure you guys know all about this. So what I did was I did go into settings here, but that did not work out. Again, it led me back to this kind of a error. So I went into Creator Studio Classic. I switched from the newer version to the older version. Okay, thanks for using blah blah blah. Just skip all this and it takes you back to the classic one. I don't know why this works, but it just worked for me. So if it works for you, well, that's really good. Yeah. Do let me know if this kind of a thing works for you. So go down to the channel setting, click on that. It's a bit slow. My net is a bit slow right now, I think. So here, I was talking about my monetization is not enabled. I'm eligible to reapply. Just note this, okay? So the funny thing is, I got eligible and my channel was monetized, and then I got the email that your channel is no longer eligible to be for monetization. Kindly apply again. I haven't reapplied, as you guys can see. I was just busy. So anyway, coming back to this thing, I'm just rambling all over the place. Click on the channel, this thing where you have your status features, monetization. Go into the advanced setting here. Okay, go into the advanced setting. Click on that, and from here, if you click on review, on the change button, sorry. So edit channel name, your channel is linked to a brand account. Changes may take a few minutes to show in your channel. That is perfectly fine. Go right ahead, click on edit. Don't worry about the branding, don't worry about this thing. This is just the name that comes up. Yeah, this pop-up box, initially it wasn't really coming. All I would get was, if I just cancel this, all I would get was this kind of a page, and if I would click on this, then I would get this kind of error, this kind of a setting page. This setting just cannot be changed for your account. So anyway, where did my page go? Yeah. So if you basically, I don't know really how it works and why it works the way it works. Why from the studio beta version, you know, I was just not able to do so. But once I switched over to the studio classic version, you know, the initial version, the older version, and then I went into advanced and changed the channel name, I was able to do so. So just click here, type whatever you want to type, review, just click on OK. Now it does take a couple of minutes to kind of like refresh and you know, kind of like be visible everywhere. But this method, this particular step, it actually worked for me. So basically, I went back to the Creator Studio Classic version and not the beta version. If you're trying to do it through the beta version, it did not work for me. So I went back to the Creator Studio Classic version, went back to the channel, went down to the channel, the advanced settings, and then change. That's what I did, and it worked perfectly fine for me. So do try out this particular method. This video was just about, you know, solving a basic problem which I really faced, and I thought that, you know, if I am facing this, a lot of you guys out there might perhaps also be facing this. So do let me know whether this works for you or whether this does not work for you, and let's just share ideas. If you think this video was like helpful in the least possible way or whatever, guys, just hit the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you anything, and it might enable my channel to earn some money. That's what I'm here for. So signing off. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video, and do give it a like, do give it a subscribe, do hit the subscribe button. Thank you.